So you have one more formula you need to learn for logarithms. It's not really a property or a law. It is actually the change of base form. And this is the change of base formula. It lets you rewrite a logarithm to any base you want. So log y base x equals to log y base a divided by log x base a. Okay, so a will obviously be the new base that you want. Okay, so take note, this is also a very important formula. All right, so in the chapter of logarithms, there is this lingo, the common log and the natural log. So what are these? What does it mean? Common log is universally known to be the logarithm of base 10, and it is typically represented by LG. Okay, LG. So if you write LG in your exam, it will be understood as log base 10. So yeah, here, LGX equals to log x base 10. However, take note that on your calculator, it should be represented by log with no base here, just log. But take note, it is common log, so log base 10. And natural log, it is actually the logarithm of base e. And e, we learned from just now, is actually Euler's number. And natural log is represented by ln. Okay, log x base e is ln x, which also can be read as ln x. Okay, these are very important. These are also the only two logarithms on your calculator. So let's take a look at the equation from earlier, which we took a look at before we learned about what are logarithms. So now let's see how we can solve for x using what we've learned. Let's convert it into logarithmic form. 2 to the power of x equals to 6. Remember, your power becomes a subject, and your base here becomes the base of the logarithm. So x equals to log 6 base 2. We are actually unable to evaluate this using our calculator because remember, our calculator only has log base 10 or log base e. So we needed to convert it into a form that we can key into the calculator. So base 10 or base e. So we use the change of base formula from earlier, which is log x base y equals to log x base a over log y base a. Okay? So using this change of base formula, we rewrite x, or we rewrite log 6 base 2 into ln 6 over ln 2. And we can evaluate this using our calculator very easily to get this. And we correct it to 3 significant figures. So now we will take a
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.